Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the second way you can earn coins in the app. Previously we spoke about the way you can earn money just by paying attention. Today I'll be showing you how you can earn coins in the app just through the referral program. To get to the referral system and program, you can press the button at the bottom right of your phone here. When you get there, you'll be greeted with this. You have a full explanation of the referral program. Essentially, what it is a system where if you share the app with your friends through a link provided, you and your friends will both earn a reward. If your friends do the same to their friends, they will get rewards and so will you, and it keeps going and going. So there's a whole system and a calculator. So let's say if you were to share it with 30 friends, for example, like this, what would happen is those friends from those friends you shared, you would get 150 coins. From those friends that they shared, you would earn 2,700, and then from those friends and so on and so on, and your balance after that would be 56,000 coins, which is insane just by sending a few links. So where do you find the link? If you scroll down, you will see this. You can choose the language for your link. There's quite a few options, so you can pick. And then when you press the button share your link, the referral link, you will have options as to which app you want to use, to who you want to send it to.